basically this is some leftover couscous, and right over here I have some red onion, cucumber, pepper, garlic and lime juice. Let's try it and that's lovely, give it a mix like this, you know what I mean? As you can just put a little bit more pepper for color. Not only that, but you can also, there's a lovely couscous recipe, you know. Put a few, like some nice lovely fresh mint inside of the couscous, and that will just give it a lovely color, lovely flavor. Nice. So as you can see it, so let's put some fresh mint in it. So the couscous recipe, we'll definitely put a link in the description box for it, and also for the red onion and the cucumber. You can just cut that and put inside of it, and that, you know what I mean, just bring a lovely flavor to it, you know. So guys, I want you to just enjoy the simple little recipe, but what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put back some inside of this bowl like this. Yeah, look at that. That is fantastic and amazing. Beautiful. Wow, 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 wow. Look at that. That is amazing. So enjoy the recipe and subscribe, leave your comments, and you know what I mean, tell a friend and a friend tell a friend.